Welcome back to the channel today. Today we're diving into the Segway ZT3 Pro, a scooter that blends cutting-edge tech, sleek design and impressive all-terrain performance. Whether you're commuting off-road or just cruising around, this scooter promises to deliver exactly what it lives up to with all this hype. First, let's talk design. The Segway ZT3 Pro is modern, stylish and undeniably cool. Its looks is inspired by its big brother, the GT2 super scooter, but it carves its own identity with unique handlebars equipped with integrated turn signals, a thoughtful safety addition for navigating busy streets, and check this out, a dual throttle system, which you can either use your thumb or you could use the grip control depending on your preferences. The 7cm hexagonal LCD is clear and vibrant, showing all the crucial info like speed, battery level and mode. And yes, there's even a mini bell to politely clear the path. Neat, right? Portability is key, and the ZT3 Pro delivers. It has a folding stem that clicks securely into a hidden latch, making it easy to carry or store. Plus, the signature-shaped, X-shaped daytime running lights adds a sleek touch and improved nighttime visibility. Now let's get into performance. The ZT3 Pro is powered by a 1600 watt rear motor, giving you a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour. While it's not the fastest out there, trust me, it feels plenty quick when you're riding. With a range of up to 70 kilometers in eco mode, it's perfect for those long commutes or weekend adventures. And if you're in a hurry, you'll get about 50 kilometers in sports mode. The ZT3 Pro's dual suspension system and 11-inch tubeless tires handles rough terrain like grass and dirt and gravel with ease. The suspension strikes a balance between softness and stability, absorbing bumps without feeling too bouncy. Safety and controls are top notch here. Dual disc brakes with traction control ensures real stopping power even in wet conditions. Plus, Segway's SegRide stability enhancement system and traction control system work together to reduce handlebar shake, wheel slip for a secure ride on slippery surfaces. Now onto the tech. The ZT3 Pro features Bluetooth AirLock, so it locks and unlocks automatically when paired with the Segway 9-bot app. It's also compatible with Apple's Find My system, making it easy to locate if required. And thanks to RideyLong technology, the scooter's advanced controller optimizes range by up to 20%. Built to last, the ZT3's Pro carbon steel frame has passed rigorous tests including over 5,000 kilometers of road testing. Its IPX5 waterproof body and IPX7 rated battery ensure durability in various weather conditions. Charging is a breeze with flash charge technology. You'll get 10 kilometers of range in just 30 minutes, and a full charge takes only 4 hours. So what's the verdict? Pros: sleek, modern design with integrated turn signals, powerful motor and impressive range. Comfortable suspension for various terrains, smart lock features like AirLock and Apple Find My compatibility, durable and weather-resistant build. Some of the cons I found is the riding platform could be ever so slightly longer for added comfort. The park mode can be inconvenient as it requires manual disengagement at times. However, this can be adjusted within the app. Overall, the Segway ZT3 Pro is a fantastic all-round scooter that combines performance, innovation and style. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or just having fun, it's got you covered. If you're looking for a high-quality scooter with plenty of smart features and the ability to tackle various terrains, this might just be the one for you. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments if you'd take the ZT3 Pro for a spin and where you'd ride it. See you in the next video.